All right, so it's been quite a while since I've posted anything on YouTube, but we are now on hands-free full self-driving. That little green dot means that it is tracking my eyes, and I am able to drive without touching the wheel at all, or it drives without me touching the wheel at all, and it's been pretty damn good so far. The first day or two of the update was a little but it usually is, and I have noticed that when I disengage and leave a voice note, first of all, they gave you 15 seconds now instead of 8 seconds for a voice note, which is really awesome. But I mean, maybe it's just like, in my head, but I'm pretty sure the first couple times I've disengaged and left a voice note saying this, that, and the other thing, the car seems to have corrected itself in those areas. Now, again, maybe it's just in my head. Maybe it's just gotten better over the past couple days with download and upload. I don't know, but it feels like that's happening to me, which would be pretty wild. No scientific data on that, but it does feel like it's happening. You can see it's telling me to pay attention to the road. So if I look ahead with my eyes, it looks good. I was looking away, looking at the camera for a minute. But it has been pretty freaking good. It has been a rock steady update. The only thing I would notice is the first day or two, it crossed the yellow line in a couple of sharp right-hand turns, which was not good. And I corrected those with voice notes, and it seems to have fixed itself yesterday. I mean, we're talking about 3 days since I got the update. But as you notice, there is another bar, little yellow download there. I got a new update. I got another update today. Now it's going to 12.5. Right now I'm on 12.5.1.2, and it's going to 12.5.4, which also includes ass. I'm going to get me some ass. And when I say ass, I mean actually Smart Summon, or ass, as Elon has named it. And I will have Summon back again. I haven't had Summon since my old car was in an accident, and it had what they now call Dumb Summon. It had Dumb Summon on it. Now I'll have actually Smart Summon. Oh, lane change. Pay attention to the road. I am paying attention to the road. It probably sees the camera in my hands. It may know I'm fishing around with something. But, so I will now have actually Smart Summon again. So that'll be cool. Be doing some testing of that this week at work. And when I get out of work, I usually test it at the end of the day, because there's usually not too many cars in the parking lot, and I give it a, see how it's doing. Can't wait. And that can't means reverse summon might be on the way, where it'll be able to park itself. That'll be awesome. So we'll see. Either way, I just wanted to do a quick update because I haven't posted in forever on this YouTube, and I apologize for that. Just been so busy with work and everything else, it's hard to get the content out there. But really cool updates coming, and they're coming feverishly. It's been 4 days since the last update, so it'd be really cool if we start to see a cadence again, where every week or two we get an update that fixes some things. That'd be awesome. But all right, everybody, hit the like button, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, because whatever. Anyway, thank you. Bye.